door with my shoulder. The cold air cut across my face. I turn the radio way up high to drown out the deafening silence. The gravel crunches under the tires. I'm heading straight for the horizon without looking back for a second. You're fading out in the rear view like a stain of old black oil. This road has no turning back. I'm the thunder of an engine. You won't drag me down to the earth. You won't break my soul anymore. I tossed your ring into the ditch, a worthless piece of steel. I've got a tank full of anger and my eyes are clear of pain. The sky is breaking in 1,000 pieces. White lightning on the hood smells like rain and gasoline. Did you think I'd just stay still, that the mud would hold me back? Watch me move through the storm. Watch me burn every bridge, everything behind. Nothing left to save here. You're fading out in the rear view like a stain of old black oil. This road has no turning back. I'm the thunder of an engine. You won't drag me down to the earth. You won't break my soul anymore. Just asphalt and freedom, just me in the open road. Mile after mile, far away from your name. Far from you, far